this video, we will have a quick review over chapter 33, the skeletal system, muscular system, and integumentary system. So first, let's try to solve this concept map of the skeletal system. So we have the skeletal system is made up of what? Includes what? Includes what? So let's try to solve this map together. Skeletal system is made up of, let's try, bones. What else? How about what? Made up of bones, and what else? Let's think. Let's think together. Livers, calcification, joints, vital organ protection, blood cells, living tissue, body weight support, appendicular skeleton, ligaments, body movement. So let's try made up of not bones, axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Okay, so skeletal system includes bones between what? Let's continue solving this. The axial skeleton for body support, while the appendicular skeleton is for body movement. No. Is it correct? No. So let's try change these guys like this. So the appendicular for movement, for weight support. No, it's the axial skeleton for weight support and vital organ protection, while appendicular skeleton is for body movement. Good. So let's continue here. Skeletal system includes bones and also cartilage between bones. Is it correct? Let's see. Let's continue. Bones are what? Living tissue formed by blood cells or calcification. Let's try blood cells. No. Yeah, let's try this. So now bones connect what? Connect by what? The bones connected by ligaments or joints. Across what? To form what? To form. Let's think together. Produces blood cells. Exactly. Formed by calcification. Exactly. To form ligaments. To move as levers. Exactly. So let's check this out if it's correct or not. No. We have two wrong. It's actually connected by ligaments to form joints. Yes, so the skeletal system is made up of appendicular skeleton, axial skeleton, the appendicular skeleton for body movement, axial skeleton for body weight support and vital organ protection. The skeletal system includes bones, also includes cartilage between bones. The bones are living tissue formed by calcification process. Bones connected by ligaments to form joints. Now, these joints and ligaments will move as levers, allow body movement. They're formed by calcification, and the bones also produce blood cells from bone marrow. Good. So this is our first map for skeletal system. Let's try muscles. So this is our concept map for today for muscles. So muscles are divided into what? Made of myofibrils, divided into what, contain what and what. So let's try solve this. Muscles are divided into what? Into what? Muscle fibers made of myofibrils, divided into what? What? Think. Is it cardiac muscle? It's sarcomeres? Is it myosin filaments? So let's try this. Divided into sarcomeres. Inside the sarcomeres, we have the myosin filament and the actin filament. So muscles include what? Is not striated. So how can we solve this map? Let's think together. So they give us a hint here, striated and hard. So what can we find only in heart? Let's try here cardiac muscle. Okay, so cardiac muscle found only in heart. So what is this? Is under what? Attaches to what? Appears striated. So muscle includes here what? Tendons, voluntary control, or what? Include, let's try skeletal muscle. Is not striated. Is it correct? What? Is it here? Include what? So let's try this. Smooth muscle here attaches to bone by tendons, is under voluntary control, is under involuntary control. So let's check. Well, it's correct because muscles are divided into muscle fibers that made of myofibrils, divided into sarcomeres, contain myosin filaments, actin filaments. Muscles include smooth muscles, which is not striated. It's correct. The cardiac muscle is a skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscles appear straightened under voluntary control, attaches to bone by tendons. Well, the cardiac muscle is involuntary control, smooth muscles in general under involuntary control, and this is correct. Now, let's try the third concept map, integumentary system. Well, integumentary system protects what? Helps maintain what? Includes what? Well, it's very easy because integumentary system protects what exactly? Protects body. Help maintain homeostasis. Includes what? Nails or what? Be careful here, guys. So let's try hair follicles. No, sorry. Let's try sweat glands, skin, nails, and what else? Oil glands, hair follicles. Well, is this nails and skin made of what? Keratin protein. Sweat glands has what? Covers what? Is this correct? I don't know. Let's try to solve this. So hair follicles has what? Skin arise from what? Covers what? Is this correct? Let's check. No. Why? Because includes skin has outer epidermis covers the dermis. The hair follicles arise from dermis. Yes, exactly. Because integumentary system protects body, helps maintain homeostasis, includes skin, hair follicles, nails, oil glands, sweat glands. Well, the skin has outermost epidermis that covers the dermis. The hair follicles arise from the dermis. Nails and hair follicles made of keratin protein. Oil glands in the dermis, sweat glands in dermis. Let's try the last one. Well, this is called reach the top. We need to gather 3,000 points by solving 15 questions. So, which of the following muscle is found only in heart? Is it tendon, smooth, skeletal, cardiac? So, it's cardiac. Check. Good. Next one. The blank system includes the bones and connective tissue that hold the bones together. So bones and connective tissue. So it's what? Integumentary, skeletal, muscular, digestive. Is it the skeletal? Check. Correct. Continue. Which connective tissue connects bones to muscles and is considered part of the muscular system? Which connective tissue connects bones to muscles and is considered part of the muscular system? Is it the ligaments? Is it tendons, muscle fiber, smooth muscles? Well, let's try the tendons. Correct. Which term refers to the place where two bones meet? Cartilage, joint, ligament, axial skeleton. Let's drop two answers. Is it axial skeleton or joints? From the name, two bones meet, joint, from joining. The body system that surrounds all of your other organ system is called the integumentary system. Right. Which produces oil and lubricates the skin, sweat glands, hair follicle, subcutaneous fat, sebaceous glands. What do you think? Let's try sweat glands. It's wrong. Continue. Which of the following works to cool the skin? Oil glands, subcutaneous fat, follicle, sweat gland. What do you think cools the skin? Let's try subcutaneous fat. Wrong. I will go back to the right answers, don't worry. Which of the following is involved in muscle contraction? Keratin, melanin, dermis, actin. Correct. Continue. Which kind of involuntary muscle surrounds the digestive organs? Smooth, skeletal, myosin, cardiac. Is it smooth or skeletal, myosin, cardiac? Well, the smooth muscles regularly covers the responsible for involuntary movement, the digestive organs under involuntary movements. So logically, it's the smooth. Let's check. Correct. What prevents two bones from rubbing together? Is it myofibril, ligament, cartilage, joint? It's easy, cartilage. Correct. When a muscle is relaxed, actin and myosin filaments are connected, decreased, increased, not connected. Let's try not connected. Exactly. Which joint allows your arm to move in any direction? Is it pivot, hinge, saddle, ball and socket? Well, let's try ball and socket. Correct. Which joint is responsible for your thumb's ability to reach across the palm of your hand and touch your other fingers? Ball and socket, saddle, pivot, hinge. What? Okay, let's drop two answers. Is it ball and socket or saddle? It's saddle. Right. Blank is waterproofing protein. Melanin, actin, keratin, dermis. What? Keratin. Correct. The last one. When a muscle is not moving, the blank filaments are far from center of sarcomere. So, the myosin filaments or myofibril or actin filaments or sarcomere. So it's not sarcomere, obviously, and it's not myofibril, because sarcomere is a part of myofibril. Is it myosin or actin? Think about this. Let's think about this together. When a muscle is not moving, so it's a relaxation mode. So, is it the actin? Let's try. Correct, it's the actin. So, we got 2,400 out of 3,000. But we had two questions we did not solve. I leave these questions to our discussion. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. This concludes our review for the revision for the chapter. I hope you enjoyed like I did. Thank you very much. Bye bye.